Welcome back, folks. We are here. Oh my goodness, it's day 3 of reInvent. It feels like day 17 of reInvent. There is so much going on, so many service announcements. We're back here on the Expo Hall floor. We are in a hub of activity here at the Hero Lounge. My name is Chris Williams. I am a Principal Cloud Solutions Architect for WWT and an AWS Hero. With me now, I have
Enrico Signoretti, Analyst for GigaOm.
Yep.
Do you want to know more about me?
Yeah. Talk about yourself. Let's get into it. You are the man behind TechField. You are.
Well, that's too much. I mean, yes, I started working in IT practically 30 years ago.
Yep.
I still have 25 years in my curriculum, but actually, I saw a few days ago that actually my curriculum is 20. It's now 30 years old.
When we take back, we're like, wow, we've been doing this a long time.
That's a problem.
Yep.
And
this is not getting any darker at all.
And that's it. I mean, I started working in IT as a system administrator. Even before that, I was an assembly programmer for quite some time.
Yep.
And after being a traditional system administrator, like jack of all trade, I concentrated a lot in storage. And so from that time, I've been doing storage since forever. And now in the last 4 or 5 years, I joined GigaOm in 2018, and I run a team of 6 people.
And you've got the fancy red lanyard now. You're styling, absolutely.
And we write reports about everything data storage, data management, and also some Kubernetes topics.
Nice.
That's it.
Okay, we are now going to get into our person on the street interview question. Question number 1. What thing here at AWS reInvent do you want to learn about? What thing are you most excited about, whether that be a service or a person? Why are you here?
So I'm here in general to get the feeling of cloud computing, AWS in general, what is happening, what is going on, and of course, I'm excited about all the discussion around data.
Yep.
So I'm of this idea that cloud first doesn't really make sense.
Right.
It's data first that makes sense in terms of IT strategy, and of course, cloud is fundamental for where you put your data. But it's not the real asset. The asset is your data. So and seeing all these announcements around data, data zone is pretty exciting for me, for example.
Yep.
So that's what I wanted to see, and actually I think I'm pretty excited about all of this news and the discussions that I have with the users.
Very cool, awesome. All right, so question number 2. On the opposite side of that, so that's coming in. Now leaving, what do you want to leave reInvent with? What's the thing that you want to take away from this?
Well, the things that I enjoyed the most is talking with users, doing real stuff, and
the hallway track is always the best.
Yeah, and so I am leaving with more experience about real world stories. What they did wrong, what they did right, and the experiences. And I think that's the most valuable part of the event. I mean, after the pandemic, we had all this Zoom stuff, so we are already well informed. So the event is is again about having this relationship with people, learning from them. So that's the most important part.
People, use cases, battle stories. Awesome.
That's the thing.
Very cool. Awesome. Well,
thank you very much.
Thanks for coming on the show, and we will see you on the floor.
Yes.
Awesome.
Sure.